Guess who's back? One and only Captain Grease. So boys, reason why I've been gone for so long is because I had to go to fucking Timbuktu to go pick up this bad boy. Woohoo, look at this. I call her Mini Square. Show the people this. So, she's a pretty minty rig here, but before I get into this, I just want to thank y'all for 100 subscribers. I got myself this nice little belt buckle. Bootleg Diesel representing everywhere I go. So, now back to Mini Square here. It's a nice little rig here, but you know, some jackass decided he's going to put a snorkel on this. First off, if you're going to put a snorkel on something, truck clearly isn't high enough. So I know some of you greasy fucks are going to try to go into my scrap bin after I pull this fender off and replace it, try to reuse it. No more fender for you. Now this door, dented up this door. No more door for you guys. Flat deck's okay, it's a little rusty. I got some sandpaper for that. Now this thing's looking pretty minty here. Now also too, if you come around front here, now I'm missing part of the grill here, but I think what happened is the guy that I bought this truck off of, I think he was banging this old lady like this here, and her head went through this one marker light. Well, I still got one, but I gotta buy another one, so smash that one out because we don't even need it. Fucking junk. Captain Grease is back, boys. Bootleg Diesel's back. Let's get her done. Well, whew, Mini Square here. Yeah, so like I said, oh shit, that didn't work. Nope, that didn't work. That clearly did not work. So, trying to stick an axe there, it's not working. Wait. Wait. Oh, fuck. No, it's just, we gotta hammer those dents out, Jesus Christ. So, what this video is truly about, it's not me smashing up this truck. It's about building this. Now, like I said, Bootleg Diesel is back. It means got a lot more content coming your guys' way, including the build on this stupid thing. That again, another good luck tap. Watch that in one of my videos there when I was giving everyone else good luck taps. Yeah, the rest of this video is basically going to be me repairing the frame because the frame broke in two on this truck. Like I said, we got more content coming later. We are bringing back Deerzilla. We got a ride on lawnmower. And of course we got Mini Square here. Maybe we'll even take out the good old tow rig here, go mudding, I don't know. Lots of content coming your guys' way. So, rest of this video, like I said, it's going to be me fixing up this frame. So if you guys want to know how to repair a frame, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys. Fucking fender. Alright guys, so we're back here with the good old Chevy. So got the steering box out just now after we took off the bumper, and here is that frame. Look at this in all its glory, just broken. You guys kind of get a better shot. So next things first, we gotta jack up the truck, take the weight off, take out the mount there for the rad, and then we gotta fix this one crack right there, that hairline crack. Gotta fix that, and then we'll weld back on the frame, put the plate, put the reinforcement plate on the outside, put a reinforcement plate on the inside, and then I believe there's a reinforcement plate that goes on top. I'm just waiting for the kit to come in. This video is gonna be shot within a few days here, just because I'm waiting on parts and whatnot, and when I get time, I'm just gonna be welding it all together, but Alright, so we got a couple C-clamps going on. We got the good old come along hooked up there to the shackle there. And let's see if we can pull the frame back. Oh, she's coming. She's coming, look at that. Oh yeah. Oh, she's coming. Come on. Don't be a dirty whore. Oh yeah. Come on. You're almost there. Sorry if I dipped down there. I'm not watching the camera. Watching the action here. She's almost there. Oh. Oh. There she goes. I think that's gonna be as good as she's gonna get. Look at that, everything lines up pretty good. Wow, it's like it's never happened. That nice and tight. We're gonna tack it up. And then away we go. Here's the whole setup there. You need one of those little come-alongs. Good to go. Now let's weld her up. So after I'm all done now cleaning up the frame and grinding down the welds there, I cleaned up the spots where the brace would go. There's one piece of the brace, there's the second. I cleaned up the brace. Let's see if I can put this in. Everything fits nice. I just gotta bolt it on. Let's see if I can get these in without losing all my bolts. Okay, here we go. There's one. And there's two. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, dick. Oh, dick. Oh. There we go. We just lost one. Perfect. That's going to sit there. We're going to bolt that on. And then when we bolt it on, not everywhere sits evenly and flat. Could be because, you know, I still didn't grind it down enough or whatever, but that's okay. We're just going to just heat up those high spots and we're just going to just bang them down. This piece right here, for you guys that don't know, goes right under here where the rivets are, and you're gonna have to kind of bang that into place too. But also too, I don't know how well we're gonna be able to see, but you're gonna see these lines here. These are kind of like guidelines here, so you can cut it down to fit under here perfectly. So let's go ahead and bolt this up here. Get that in there, and yeah, we'll bolt that up, and then we will go and trace and see where we gotta cut this out. Too bad. Top all done. Wire. This truck has like a million wires. I don't know why I think it's a million wires, but guys. And so now for the bottom, let's see how well I can get it there for you guys. So now you guys can kind of see there's, so we got the gap there, right? So on the bottom here, I don't want to try to bang it in like how I did up here with the top. I'm actually going to fill in that bottom gap there, just so then I can put that plate flush. That plate then will then sit flush right here, and then I can come and I can weld it right to there. There'll be a weld there. It's all going to be one piece together. So let's get welded. All right. So after you're done welding the underneath, I'm gonna get that plate. I got one. I got the C vice grip there. I got another one there. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna attack it here, and attack it on the other side there. And then afterwards, then we're really going to heat that up and beat that into place. Same thing with there. We'll probably C-channel that up. And yeah, so let's get that going. I'll show you guys what it looks like after it's all done. Gotta take the C-clamp, like what you guys just kind of saw. Put them up there, I just stitched it. I just went stitched. And then I just gotta do that area. And then we'll go to the front. And then heat up all of this area here. And then just bang it up with a hammer. And then stitch it up. And we're almost done. Awesome. You guys saw me. Took me a few minutes there. Yeah, just kind of close the gap as best as you can and get to work. So I'm gonna weld her up, and afterwards we'll see the final product. All right, guys. So final product. Here she is, looking all nice. So welded in. I just gotta grind down those. Like I said earlier, you can drill and fill in more spots on the frame, but this should be plenty. Everything's all in. I already test fit the box just to be sure. Let's see if we can get underneath here. Yeah. So she's all done. So that's how you install a frame brace kit on a square body Chevy, guys. And as always, guys, hit that subscribe button if you guys want to see more of this absolute beauty of a truck here, mini square. There's going to be a lot more content on the build of it, and there's going to be a whole lot of content of me beating the living piss out of it. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys soon.
Hey, kid won't put it through the windshield.
No, cause I fucking need the windshield. I don't need these fucking fit. Oh shit, camera's rolling. Yeah, no, we're gonna have a video on how to bondo and how to repair dents. Got the fucking camera.